All contents are for entertainment purpose only. Watch and use at your own risk. Any warranty will be void. Hi, this is the phone doctor. So we're just going to walk you through the step of this Note 3. So power on your device. So on this touch free, half of the device works and half of it doesn't. It's got a dark screen, it's been dropped. So we're going to show you how to replace your Note 3 LCD. So if you can see the top half, it's really dark. You brighten it up, it does not do anything. Right, power down device. Remove your back. Make sure you've got your SIM card removed, your battery. You've got 12 Phillips screws there. So we'll remove that. We'll just speed it up to get those done. What you'll find if you have to change the loudspeaker in a Note 3, the Note speaker is built into the back cover. So that's for your loudspeaker. It's at the bottom of the plate. So that's straightforward. Here now you have your logic board connection, you've got your LCD flex, you've got your headphone jack and earpiece on that. Right, you've got your proximity sensor, you've got your vibrator with your power switch, you've got your home button flex and your charging block flex. I'll just off-clip your charging block flex off the logic board. Be careful at the bottom of the logic board because that's the smallest, the easiest part to break of the logic board. And lifting your aerial connector off your control charging block. That's your aerial connector. And now I'll remove my microphone and charging block. So that's moving your home button flex, and that's your LCD flex, that's your jack, and that's your camera flex. And you just take your time and lift out the logic board. The screws, the 12 Phillips screws are one side. The other screw you're taking out now is a little bit shorter, so you have to make sure you keep that separate and you put that back in at the right place. That's the shield off your proximity sensor, what holds your proximity sensor down. And this part you have to be very careful with. It's heavily taped down. It'd be best warming or just getting a tool opener, case opener, and feeding underneath the flex. Because if you damage that, you've got problems. You can't be able to power your phone back on. Right, so finish that now. New screen, strip down the new screen. Get all the tapes off the new screen. And sorry about the camera because it keeps panning in and out. So the first thing I'm going to put back is your charging block. So fix that back in. Then I'm putting back your vibrator with your power switch flex. And I just push that on. It's still got the sticky and gluish tape on it, so I'm just putting that back in. So be careful when you're angry not doing that. Now your proximity sensor shield. Put your props in and make it nice chip. I've got a little bit of kink on the shield so it clips in. Now I'm putting back your jack, earpiece jack with the earpiece. Now I will put the logic board. You have to lift all your flex to get your logic board. Oh, and showing you the back camera, that's your main camera that just clips off the board. You do not need to take that off the board when you're changing the LCD. That was just to show you the camera can be clipped off. So that goes underneath all the flexes. Clip back on your charging flex, LCD flex, home button flex, your proximity sensor flex, and then your home button flex. Right, so your aerial connector. When you put your aerial connector, it's very important to place this on, and just take your time and just clip it back on, but feed it back into that trench. It's very important that, because if you don't feed it into the trench and you clip your back on or you screw your back on, what will happen is you'll squash your lead, or your screws will go through it, and you won't be able to make a phone call, and you'll think, what have I done? What's gone wrong? Then you'll have to start screwing the screws back out and repeating the process to see where the problem is. And because the screws that are put on the side could easily damage, especially that screw there. You've got another screw that comes down the side on the opposite side, could damage your connector flex, your aerial connector. So speed these up because there's a lot of screws to put in there. Watching a video of somebody screwing screws in, and it's just basic screw, you're not learning anything here. And on a Samsung, what we do a test on the screen for you folks to make sure you know you've got a screen 100% working. So we just put a service code in when we finish this. And the service code, what it does, it tells you if there's any faults on your touch. So now power on device. Don't go and sleep on us, guys. So now it is, slide it on, so check the screen that everything's working okay. So service code is *#0*#. When you put it in once, you do find yourself waiting and thinking it's not going to work, and you try to put it in again. You just have to be patient. That comes up your test screen. You can test the colours, everything on the phone, the camera. So it comes in blocks, and what we're doing with the block in here, you have to be able to colour out the block. It's just taking me a little bit of time because I don't want to remove the plastic foil on the screen. So when that's gone through, that shows you that it works, your different colours you can bring up onto your phone. You can light, shade, dim, brightness, and then to make sure all your test is okay, I press a test control, and what that will do, that will show you it comes up with the pass. So guys, thanks for watching this tutorial. You want your phone getting repaired, just send it to us. We're a postal service. Hope you enjoyed this video.